Hello friends, in this video I will show how to write percent sign on keyboard. So there are some methods you can try to insert percent. Simple and easiest way. Press shift and number 5 key on your keyboard. So you can write this percent. You can change style from here. Also you will change font. So percent style will be different. Select and change the font. So this is the one method you can use this on-screen keyboard. Click on Start and search OSK. Here press Shift and number 5. It's a second method. Third method, insert and shape. Select this equation shape, division sign. And draw your percentage. For any style and form, any form. So thanks for watching. And another method, insert symbol, more symbols, and select this percent symbol. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.